Defer Vaccine Complete List. In this lesson, you will learn how to document a vaccine deferral from the complete list and correct your vaccine inventory. We are logged in as Sawyer Short, a nurse at the practice. Dr. Knox has ordered the polio vaccine for Mariah Brown. The task was completed and the vaccine has been deducted from the inventory. When you entered the room, Mariah's mom said she would like if the vaccine can be given at a later time. Since you have added the vaccine to Mariah's immunization record and deducted the vaccine from the inventory, you will need to correct Mariah's immunization record and indicate the vaccine was wasted. We will start at the tracking window and access the patient's chart. We will first select the appointment for Mariah. We'll click the Clinical tab, then select Patient Chart. We'll click the Immunization tab, and then the Complete List to see all immunizations for the patient. We'll select Polio, and click the Edit button. We will click the drop-down in the Status field and select Deferred. The warning window displays indicating the vaccine will be placed back in the inventory. We will click OK. This has returned the vaccine to our inventory. We see the Refuse/Defer Vaccine window opens. We'll complete all required fields. Since the polio vaccine was deferred, we will keep Deferral selected, and for the reason we will select Parental Decision. We will click the drop-down next to Details and select Other. The vaccine field is grayed out and will automatically show the vaccine that we selected in the Plan Orders window. The date and time when the vaccine deferral is entered will default to today's date and the current time. We may select a different date by clicking the drop-down arrow or typing a date in the field. In addition, the time may be changed by clicking the up and down arrows or typing a time in the field. If we want to document any additional notes, we could add them in the comments field. Lastly, we see the checkbox to create consent task for refusal/deferral, which we would select to create a task for a deferral consent form if this was our practice policy. We will click the checkbox for the consent form, and then click Save since we filled out all necessary fields for our practice. 3 tasks will be created for the deferral. They can be found in Tasks in the Communication group. The first task is to schedule a follow-up visit for the vaccine using the Defer Until date. The second one is optional, where a task will be created to complete the consent for deferral. The task will be created only if the Create Consent task for refusal/deferral checkbox was selected. The third one is a task to administer the deferred vaccine on the deferral date. Next, we will enter the wasted vaccine by navigating to the vaccine inventory by clicking Practice Management and Manage Vaccine Inventory. We will locate the vaccine lot number that contains a wasted dose and click the ellipsis button to edit the lot. The Vaccine Inventory Item Detail window appears. We'll change the number in the Doses Used field to account for the wasted amount that occurred. We'll enter pertinent information in the Notes field to document the wasted doses per your office protocol. We'll click Save.